Hi, my name is Richard Larouche and I will be your instructor for this Research in Health Sciences course. And the purpose of today's recording is to explain the course objective and evaluation methods. The key goal of the course is to give you basic research skills that will help you to interpret research findings in a critical way. The course will introduce you to the process of conducting a study and to the ethical aspects that need to be considered. It will introduce different research design and explain the many different ways to recruit a sample of participants for a research study. We'll then proceed to explore in details different approaches to research, including quantitative, qualitative, mixed methods research, systematic reviews, and the particularities of doing research with indigenous population. Finally, we'll discuss about different ways to assess the quality of research studies and disseminate study findings. If you are interested in pursuing a master's degree, a solid foundation in research methods is essential. But even if you don't want to go to grad school, you will likely be expected as a practitioner to engage in evidence-based practice. What this means in plain English is that you will need to keep up with new developments in your field of practice that are ultimately informed by research. Because I may not see you in person, I think it's important that I take the time to introduce myself so you can have a better understanding of where I come from and what led me to teach research methods in public health. First, I've completed an undergraduate degree in kinesiology with a minor in psychology. After that, I did a master's degree and a PhD in human kinetics, studying physical activity from a population health perspective, and this is what has brought me here. I've been a postdoctoral fellow at the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario for about 4 years, where I worked in a research-intensive and multidisciplinary group called the Healthy Active Living and Obesity Research Group. My own research focuses predominantly on physical activity and active transportation among children and youth. You can see my contact information on this slide here. I want to let you know that my email is my preferred mode of communication. You can also find out more about my research through my Google Scholar profile, which is the link in the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so the purpose of this recording is for me to explain how this course will be delivered and what tasks that you will need to succeed in this course. On this slide, you see the description of the course from the academic calendar. I will not read through, but you can read on your own. One thing on which I cannot insist enough is the importance of reading the syllabus. It provides a list of the assignments, policies on things such as absence, late submissions of assignments, etc. At the end of the syllabus, you will find a detailed list of the contents to be covered, including the required readings, videos, etc., that are made week by week. So you can see that the date of exams and assignment deadlines are shown in both fonts as well. By scrolling through, you can see that the content is organized by week, and to keep things simple, the content that will be posted on Moodle will also be organized by week. Recordings will be posted on a week-by-week basis. You should be aware that it's the first time that we offer this course online, and as such, it's not possible for me to upload recordings more than a week ahead of time. Now, because it's the first time that we deliver this course online, I will solicit your feedback on the course after the third week of class. Students that respond to this request will get a bonus mark. So now it's important for me to clarify what you can expect from me and what I expect from you right from the beginning, especially given that this is an online course and I don't see you in person. And so what you can expect from me is that I will post recording on Moodle as soon as possible. I will address email queries within 48 hours, usually less than that, but if you email me Saturday morning, you can expect an email from me on Monday. I will be respectful to student needs and reasonable, and I will also be approachable. As I said previously, by email is the best way to contact me. Now, what I expect from you is that you will read the syllabus as soon as possible and that you will check emails and Moodle regularly for updates, course notes, and announcements. I expect also that you will participate actively in your discussion group that I will discuss about later today and contribute fairly to group projects. And to make things easier for me, I expect that you will use the course code in your email title.